In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PPTX in LibreOffice Impress. If you've received a PowerPoint file with the .pptx extension and you're using LibreOffice Impress, you can open it quickly and keep working without switching apps. Impress is the presentation tool in LibreOffice, and it understands most PowerPoint content, so this process is straightforward. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Open it the same way you open any app on your computer, whether that's from your applications list, your start menu, or your dock. When Impress opens, you'll see either a blank presentation or the start screen. Don't worry about templates right now. We're just going to bring an existing file into the app. Next, head to the File menu at the top of the screen and choose Open. This brings up your system's file browser. Take a moment here to navigate to where your .pptx file is stored. Common places include your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a project folder you've set up. If you're using a cloud-synced location, make sure the file is fully downloaded before opening to avoid delays. Once you've found the file, click it once to select it, then choose Open. If you don't see your presentation listed, check the File Type filter in the bottom area of the dialog. Set it to All Files or Presentations so that .pptx files are visible. This filter is easy to overlook, and if it's set too narrowly, the browser may hide the file even though it's in the folder. Also make sure the file actually ends with .pptx. Older PowerPoint files use .ppt and may appear under a different filter. There's also a faster way if you already have Impress open on your screen. Simply drag the PPTX file from your computer's File Explorer and drop it onto the open Impress window. When you release the mouse, Impress will load the presentation. This method is handy if the file browser feels cumbersome or if you already have the folder open. After the file opens, give the slides a quick look. Most layouts, images, and text should appear as expected. If something looks slightly off, like a font substitution or an animation behaving differently, that's usually due to differences between PowerPoint and Impress. It won't stop you from viewing or presenting, but it's smart to skim through the deck before sharing or projecting it. That's all there is to it. You can open a PPTX in LibreOffice Impress either through File and Open or by dragging and dropping the file into the window. With these two approaches, you'll be ready to present in just a few clicks.